To remove the headlight, you must first loosen the bumper on the corresponding side. Remove the 3 screws from the bumper to the wheelhouse liner. Also remove the screw of the wheelhouse liner to the wheel well. The wheel housing liner is attached to the bumper with 3 screws on the underside. Remove these 2. Now you can fold the wheelhouse liner a little away and get to the nuts on the inside. At the rear end there is 1 screw from the bumper to the fender. It is screwed from bottom to top. Remove screw. Remove the cover on the front. It is only plugged in and can be levered out. Remove the screw underneath. Also remove the middle cover on the front. Remove the screw underneath. Remove the plastic screws on the top. The bumper is attached 4 times to the front panel at the rear. To do this, you must first unscrew the screw of the washer filler neck and the screw of the servo oil tank. Then pull the oil container backwards out of the front panel. Now all bumper screws are accessible and can be removed. With the facelift model, this step is a little easier. After all the screws shown have been removed, the bumper can be removed from the side. The headlight is pushed into the fender at the rear and must therefore be pulled forward to remove it. This is no longer difficult. The headlight is screwed twice on the bottom. And 2 times on the top. Remove the screws and you can remove and unplug the headlight. To release the lock of the plug, Put in a screwdriver at the rear end and tilt it down. This should force the lock on the front side to lift and release the plug. This can sometimes be very difficult and requires patience, especially if the plug is dirty. After reinstalling the headlight, you should adjust it again, either by visually checking it against a wall or by having it adjusted by a workshop. All important tutorials, tools, and information can be found in the description. Good luck with making it yourself.